Hi, I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and we're going to take a look at how to change the needles on your baby lock serger. You're going to need a couple of tools to change the needles. You're going to want your screwdriver that came with your machine, and I also find that it's helpful to have the brush because at the very end it has a needle holder that helps you hold and position your needles in the proper place. Let's go over to the machine and take a look. On your serger, you can see right here what needles you need for your machine. This says EL times 705 CF, 80/12 or 90/14. If I look at this package of needles, I have EL times 705, and these are an 80/12. So this needle is the right type for my machine. We cut our threads and we're just going to pull them out so they're no longer in our needles. We're going to use the end of our brush and put it through our needle, and it will hold our needle while we come up and loosen the screw. Once we loosen it, our needle will come out, and we want to go down and bring it back out. We'll repeat that for our second needle, putting the end of the brush on, loosening the screw, and removing the needle. Now it's time to insert a new needle. We're going to be putting this one in the 01 position. We're going to put it in the end of the brush with the flat side on the back. We'll come down, we'll come up, and the top of the needle right here needs to go up and show. Sometimes you need to help just a little bit and then tighten your screw. Your needle's now in place. Because I took one out of the 02 position too, I'm also going to tighten it just a little bit so that it's ready to start sewing. Now my needle's in the correct position for my stitch. If you happen to drop a needle while you're inserting it or taking it out, remember if you're sewing on a baby lock Triumph that you have this little magnetic drawer that you can pull out, and your needle is usually right there. Remember, every project deserves a good needle. Don't be afraid of changing your needles often on your serger.